Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play Style Showdown on Dress to Impress and how you can win. So it is easier if you have only 6 players. It is a minimum of 6 players. So do that. And also, if you have custom makeup, make sure you do everything before you actually play the game mode. Make sure you do it on free play mode. And also make sure you have like the fast walk pass. It is easier to go around and put on stuff. And also, you don't need friends to win. It is a little bit easier, but if you see here, you just need to dress like really good, like really well. So this is what I'm going to try to do now, is to dress like super well here. So the theme is tea party, like stick to the theme, obviously. I'm gonna wear this fit and let's use some patterns. Obviously sometimes it doesn't load, so make sure you load it first in like the main game. Only ribbon here. Oh right, I forgot, I can't use like patterns for that. I'm gonna just use this hat. Again, just my advice is for you to just, stick to the theme, obviously. And again, play with like play with like a minimum of 6 players because it is easier. I'm just going to basically layer on a bunch of items right now. Pattern. Let's find some shoes and stuff here. I'm gonna do like kind of like a whimsical tea party. Okay, I do have to add shoes now or else I will be barefooted. Are there any VIP shoes? Yes, thank God. Because those were not it. Oops. Hello. Let me put on these shoes. Oh my God, I added something that I did not want to add. Look at some props. If they have like a tea kind of vibe, you're just going to want to add that. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully with these tips you can win Style Showdown. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.